Want to know how to build a balanced team for PvE in KingsRoad? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to explain you in just under a minute the steps that you can take in order to build a balanced team in Game of Thrones KingsRoad mobile. So let's get straight to it. So a balanced team is a key to clearing PvE content smoothly. Start with a tank or high HP hero upfront to absorb damage. This is very important for later winnings. So make sure you add damage dealers to quickly eliminate enemies. Include at least one support hero for healing or buffs. Upgrading skills that improve both damage and survivability. With a well-balanced team, PvE stages become way more easier, faster, as well as more consistent. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you can easily build a balanced team for PvE. So if you follow these steps, you should be on the good run. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.